Hi, my name is Nicholas and I'm going to show you how to get to the Bishop Dunn Memorial Twitter account. So first you have to go to the Bishop Dunn website and then you scroll all the way down. Then you're going to go to the Stay Connected row and click on Twitter. What's going to come up is the BDMS Twitter account, and you can see all of the pictures that my principal posted, Mrs. Benfer. Hey, that's me.
Yes, believe it or not, Nicholas, we post on this account every day because we're always doing such great things at Bishop Dunn Memorial School. Look, in this picture are all of your classmates that played on our amazing varsity basketball team this year. Check in every day at the Twitter account for new postings. Thank you, Nicholas, for this tutorial. Now parents can see all of the amazing things we do at BDMS.
No problem.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.